Now in this exercise we will do the question number 1 from exercise 9.1. In a math test, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Say these are the marks obtained by 40 students. They are only arranged in this way. So roll number wise their marks are arranged. You have to arrange them in a tally marks table. You have to arrange them. Arrange these marks in a table using tally marks. Now what is the which number is the minimum here and which one is the maximum? See, from 1 0 is not there, so from 1 the marks has been started. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 also there. Okay, now 9 is the highest marks and 1 is the lowest marks, so I have arranged the marks in this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now how many students have got 1 marks? Now you have to observe the marks very carefully, so that you have to find out the marks from here. 1 is here and 1, then is this line, there is no 1. The second line, observe it, 1, second line is finished, third line there is no 1, fourth line also there is no 1. Next, that means 1 comes 2 times only, so 2 marks only, and in number you have to write 2. Now see 2, how many times 2 comes in this data? In this data you can find 2, how many times are there? 1 2 3 in this line, and this line 2 is not there. So how many times 2 are there? 1 2 3. Now how many times 4 can you see? No, 3 can you see? 3 you have to find out. 3 again, find out 3. 1 2 3. Observe the line properly so that any number cannot be missed from your side. 3. Then count 4. How many 4s are there? How many 4s you can see? Just check. 4. 1 4 4 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 times 1 2 3 4. When it is 5, what you will do? 1 2 3 4. Then when it is 5, we have to make a bunch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Understood? 1 2 3 4. Whenever it will be 5, you have to make a bunch. Then 5 6 7. So 7. How many times 5 are there? Count 5 in this line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So 5 is here in 6 times only. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understood? Then you have to write the number also in the tally marks also. Come to number 6. Number 6, count it, find out. 1, go to the line. 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 6 comes 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now 7 comes. Watch how many times 7 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 5. 7 comes 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5, and you have to write the number 5 also. Now 8. How many times you can see 8? Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 8 comes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Now 9 comes. Find out how many times 9 are there. In this line no 9. In this line only 1 9. 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So how many times can you see the numbers are here? You have to count the tally marks also, and in this way you have to complete the work. Understood? Next sum, in the same way you have to do the next sum also. Now question number 3. Catherine threw a die 40 times and noted the number appearing each time as shown below. That means when you are throwing a die, you will get different numbers between 1 to 6. So the numbers whatever Catherine has got 40 times of throwing the dice, these are written here. What you have to do, you have to arrange the number in a tally marks table, and actual number also you have to write. Understood? Now start finding number 1. How many times number 1 came? 1. Go through the line continuously. You go to the row and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes, 7. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know that 5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is tally marks and this is the number. Now go to number 2. How many times 2 is there? 1, no, in this row, no 2. Here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now 3. How many times 3 will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number is 5. Now 4. How many times 4 came? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Now 5. How many times 5 came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number is 11. Now 6. How many times 6 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 will come, 6 here 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This is 11 and this is the tally marks for this particular datas. Whatever the datas are showing here, observe the data and you have to find out row wise. You can go row wise to find the number of each datas are there. Then you will arrange them in this way and complete the sum. Understood? Okay, thank you.